Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and change your Shopify store URL. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here at shopify.com if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by, but the first thing we need to do in the upper right corner is go ahead and log into your Shopify account, or if you do not already have one, just go ahead and create one, sign up for one, and after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, now we can get started with changing our Shopify store URL. From here, we can get started managing our website, setting up everything we need and our store, and here at the left side of the screen we can find all the sections we can access. So in the bottom left corner, you're going to click on the settings menu. By clicking settings, this is now going to open up the settings of your store, from where we can get started setting up everything we need, and we are looking for this option right here at the left side of the screen that says domains. You want to open up the domains section. Once you open up the domains guys, this is going to enable you to go ahead and select the domain that you want to use. It's going to show us the domain we are currently using right here, as you can see, and we can even go and buy a new domain, or we can go ahead and connect an existing one if we already have a domain or want to transfer one. So depending on whichever it is, you can click right here and it's going to take you to the next steps, from where you can get started selecting the domain you want to use, clicking search, selecting it, buying it, or transferring it, and just like that is going to apply it to your store once you're finished, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.